Hello everybody, here's Alex and Angel for one more video. Some latest news from MSC. They're expanding Ocean Cay.
Yes.
Making some new
improvements. I don't know if any of you know that, or know this, they've been actually building another island off from it called Little Cay.
Yep.
That is still
a mystery. The
up
mystery
in there.
island.
Not sure if it's going to be exclusive for Yacht Club or the Explorer. And if you guys aren't familiar with Explorer Journeys, it's basically it's the elite MSC cruises.
We never done that. Maybe
eventually, because basically they're smaller ships, but the whole ship is like being in Yacht Club, I guess, from what I've heard.
Anyway, let's get back to Ocean Cay. So Ocean Cay, they're talking about extending the dock. So they're going to be 2 ships over there. The island is actually pretty big. A lot of people say it gets crowded, but there are a lot of different places that are not fully developed yet. Yeah. So I know they're going to create a couple new places. One is called the Paradise Sand. Mm-hmm. That's going to be on a far north side. It's going to be an adult-only location. And they're going to upgrade the new Seakers Cove. That's going to be like a family area where they're going to have like some kind of water
splash pad for the kids, and I think
a rope course with the water feature and stuff like that. There's some. I'll put some picture that I saw online that will explain a little bit more about it.
They're also going to do more cabanas around the island, which is nice. I mean, like Alex was saying,
be extra.
There's a lot of spaces that they can still put more chairs and cabanas and things like that. You know, a lot of beach area.
Yep.
But yeah, an extra cost for that. Not sure about the Paradise Sands for the adult only section, if that's going to be an extra cost or not.
I'm not sure.
So
not really
we'll let you know when we know.
Yeah, and one more thing, we're going to add more dining option.
Oh, dining options. Yeah.
So they just finished up the second buffet last time we were there, and I think they're going to add 4 more options, like a specialty restaurant and
I think
a food market option,
and then 2 more smaller buffets, I think. Or something like that. But they also have all the food trucks too.
Yeah, I love the food trucks.
So lots of good,
but those are great news.
And then also the another thing that they're doing is the marine conservation experience. I guess they're adding to that. We've never actually checked that out yet, so I think we will on this next trip.
We should.
So we'll let you know about that.
Those are great news. Can't wait to see it. I guess give us an excuse to go on a cruise. Right?
So if you
Unless you booked one already, I don't know about it.
Oh, well, you never know. So if you guys know anything more than we know, please comment. Let us know. So
don't forget, subscribe.
If you like our video, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up.
Bye, guys.